They don't move fast, they don't look dangerous, but they cause serious injuries every year. Low-speed and utility vehicles are everywhere. Warehouses, campuses, construction sites, and industrial facilities. And because they feel familiar, they're often underestimated. That's why low-speed and utility vehicle safety starts with awareness, not speed. Welcome to the Low Speed and Utility Vehicle Safety Online Training Course by OSHA Outreach Courses. This course is designed to help workers recognize the unique hazards of low-speed and utility vehicles. You'll gain insight into common hazards such as uneven terrain, slopes, limited protection, and tight work areas. The course explains the importance of pre-use inspections, ensuring the vehicle is in safe operating condition before every shift. You'll also learn how operator readiness, awareness of surroundings, and understanding right-of-way rules play a critical role in preventing incidents. Most importantly, the training builds awareness around safe driving behaviors. Low speed doesn't mean low risk. This course helps you recognize hazards unique to utility vehicles and prevent rollovers and pedestrian strikes, and improve vehicle inspections and driving habits. Once you complete the course, you'll receive your certificate of completion, demonstrating your understanding of low-speed and utility vehicle safety awareness. Improve low-speed and utility vehicle safety awareness, reduce rollover and collision risks, and protect workers and pedestrians with fast, effective training. To enroll now, simply click the link in the description and sign up for the course.
Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to OSHA Outreach Courses.